The mobile phone has become one of the biggest distractions for students preparing for Jee, Neet, and other competitive examinations. When a student sits to study, the constant notifications and the endless scrolling of social media capture the mind, stealing away valuable hours. Mobile addiction works like a dopamine trap. Every notification, every reel gives a small rush of pleasure, and the brain gets used to this instant reward. As a result, long study sessions feel boring, the mind loses patience, and the ability to focus deeply decreases. For an exam like Jee or Neet, where 6 to 8 hours of focused study is required every day, even managing 15 minutes of concentration becomes difficult when mobile usage goes unchecked. This addiction also wastes time. A student picks up the phone for just 5 minutes, but unknowingly loses an entire hour that could have been spent revising a chapter or solving practice questions. Slowly, these lost hours pile up into lost days, and the syllabus remains incomplete. Beyond academics, mobile addiction harms the body and mind as well. Students often use their phones late into the night, and the blue light from screens disturbs their natural sleep cycle. The next day begins with fatigue, low energy, and reduced productivity. Mental health also suffers. Too much information and too many distractions create anxiety and stress, which further reduce motivation to study. But the good news is that this cycle can be broken with some discipline. The first step is to keep the phone away during study hours. Place it in a drawer or in another room and allow yourself to check it only during short breaks. The second step is to use tools that promote digital discipline. Apps like Stay Focused, Forest, or the inbuilt digital well-being mode can block distracting applications and limit screen time. The third step is to train the brain with real rewards. Instead of turning to the phone, reward yourself with something simple, like a short walk, a healthy snack, or listening to one favorite song after completing a chapter or solving a set of problems. This positive reinforcement helps break the cycle of mobile dependency. Finally, the most powerful solution is building a routine and sticking to it. A clear timetable where phone usage is limited and study hours are fixed can transform preparation. Discipline is not built in a single day, but with consistency, it becomes a habit. Once students gain control over their mobile phones, they also gain control over their time, their focus, and ultimately their success. Always remember, the mobile is meant to be a tool to aid your studies, not your master. For Jee, Neet, and all competitive exams, the real key to success lies in focused preparation. If you control your phone, nothing can stop you from achieving your goal.